Let's watch together how we machine a plastic enclosure out of a full block of ABS. First we machine the inside. We have to use a ball head mill to finish the curved shape of the enclosure. As you can see, the machine uses 3 axes at the same time, in order to process that curved surface, in a circular motion. Before we continue milling the outside of the enclosure, we first check the result of the inside machining. Did you notice the seal groove? Even thin walls can be milled without problem, as long as we use good cutting tools. The outside of the electronic housing is almost finished. The last step is milling of the text, with a tiny mill, at high turning speed. The result is a nicely finished plastic enclosure. CNC milling of plastic enclosures is a good solution for small series manufacturing. And also for plastic products, which require narrow tolerances. Do you want your enclosure machined by Metron Technics? Send us an email with your inquiry at info@metrontechnics.be.